What's features highlight about Tplook upgraded 30PSI Airbrush kit? Before you decide to order, we will introduce the features and brief details, including new upgraded multifunctional airbrush kit compared with other airbrush sets on the market. The upgraded airbrush kit brings you 25 to 30 psi air pressure and the highest airflow reaches 8 to 10 liters, increase 65% in performance. It can also be stable after long time use, so you can use it to accomplish many professional needs. The manual action trigger controls both air and color, which allows changing the width of the line, the range of value, and the opacity of paint without stopping. The included 0.3 and 0.5 mm nozzle allow this extremely versatile airbrush to be used for extra fine detail spray, overall spray, or for 2-inch wide background spray. Abundant accessories can fully meet your requirements. One-time purchase of cost-effective kits, no need to spend extra time and money to buy other accessories. This airbrush set also includes professional airbrush cleaning kit. Keep clean at all time for airbrush gun. More than most cleaning kits on the market. Made in high-quality precision components that enable the airbrush to work efficiently while providing exceptional atomization and accurate spray control. Easy fluid refills and easy cleaning. When the power is turned on, it is normal for air to appear, and the spray pen is pulled back to the spraying state. Tplook Airbrush Kit has superior powerful performance for painting and makeup. The air pump adopts advanced case painting technology, which is shiny, wear resistant and gorgeous outlook. Is also a wonderful gifts for your family or friends. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.